Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Vocablishbee. I'm Mehek, and if you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Every week, I share simple and practical English tips to help you improve your English step by step. Now, let me ask you a quick question. What did you do yesterday? Can you answer that question immediately? Or do you first think in your own language and then translate it into English? If that's you, don't worry. Most English learners do the same thing. And that's exactly what makes speaking English feel slow and difficult. The good news is, you can change that. The tips I'm going to share today are the same simple habits that helped me improve my English. If you practice them every day and stay consistent, you'll start seeing real progress. Step by step, thinking and speaking in English will become much easier. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Think in English, one word at a time. Many learners believe they must make long English sentences from the very beginning, but that's not true. In fact, that's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. If making a full sentence feels difficult, don't force yourself. Start with just one word. Yes, just one word. Look around your room. What do you see? Maybe you see a bed. Say, bed. Then look at your chair. Say, chair. Now look at the fan. Fan. Your phone. Phone. The door. Door. The clock. Clock. The window. Window. That's it. This simple exercise trains your brain to connect objects directly with English instead of translating them. After a few days, you'll notice something interesting. When you see a chair, your brain will think chair automatically, not the word in your own language first. And that's exactly how thinking in English begins. Now, let's make it a little harder. Once you're comfortable with single words, move to short sentences. For example, I'm sitting on a chair. My phone is on the table. The window is open. Keep your sentences short and easy. Don't worry about using difficult vocabulary. Simple English is always better than no English. Here's a small challenge for you. Right now, pause this video for just 30 seconds. Look around your room and say the names of 10 things in English. Then make 3 short sentences. It's easy, it only takes a minute, and it really works. Now, let's move to the second tip. Tip number 2, talk to yourself in English. Now, don't worry, I'm not asking you to give a speech. I'm talking about simple self-talk. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your English. And the best part is, you don't need a partner. You can practice anytime and anywhere. Let's say you're making tea. Instead of staying quiet, say, I'm making tea. The water is hot. Now I'm adding sugar. That's it. Or maybe you're getting ready in the morning. You can say, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm wearing a blue shirt. I'm packing my bag. Notice something? These are very simple sentences. You don't need difficult words to practice English. You only need to describe what you're doing. At first, you may speak slowly. That's completely normal. Don't try to speak fast. Speak clearly. Speed will come later. Remember, your goal isn't to sound perfect. Your goal is to make English a part of your daily life. The more you use English in everyday situations, the more natural it will feel. So from today, start talking to yourself in English for just 5 minutes every day. You'll be surprised by how much it helps. Tip number 3, practice in front of a mirror. Here's another tip that helped me a lot. Practice in front of a mirror. I know, it might feel a little funny at first, but trust me, it works. Stand in front of a mirror for 5 minutes. Look at yourself and speak. You can introduce yourself. For example, "Hi, I'm Mehek. I'm learning English. I practice English every day." Or talk about your day. "Today I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. Now I'm watching an English lesson." The mirror helps you notice your facial expressions. It also makes you feel more confident because you're getting used to speaking out loud. Many learners know English, but they don't have the confidence to speak. Mirror practice helps build that confidence, little by little. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Don't stop to correct every sentence. Just keep speaking. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Now, let's move on to another simple habit that can improve your English every single day. Tip number 4, read everything around you in English. Here's another simple habit. Read the English words you see every day. When you're using your phone, read the menu. Read notifications. Read app names. When you're at a supermarket, read product labels. Read signs. Read simple English words around you. You don't have to understand every word. Just keep reading. The more English your eyes see, the more familiar it becomes. And when something becomes familiar, your brain remembers it more easily. Tip number 5, stop trying to be perfect. This is probably the biggest mistake English learners make. They want every sentence to be perfect, so they keep thinking, is my grammar correct? Did I use the right word? And because they're thinking too much, they stop speaking. Don't do that. Remember, you don't learn to speak by staying silent. You learn by speaking. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. Every fluent English speaker has made mistakes. The difference is, they didn't give up. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of not practicing. Because every time you speak English, you're improving, even if your sentence isn't perfect. Now, let me give you a very easy daily routine. It only takes about 10 minutes. First, look around and say the names of 10 things in English. Second, make 5 short sentences. Third, talk to yourself for 5 minutes. Finally, spend a few minutes reading something simple in English. That's it. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need to study for hours. Just practice a little every day. Small steps every day are much better than one long study session once a week. Before you go, I want you to remember one thing. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking with the English you already know. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Every single day is a new chance to improve. So don't compare yourself with anyone else. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If you know one more word today, if you can say one more sentence today, you're making progress. And that's what really matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Vocablishbee for more easy English lessons. Now, I have a small challenge for you. In the comments below, write 3 simple sentences about your day. Don't use Google Translate. Just write what you can. I'll be happy to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.